Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. In today's video, we'll be making the best fried chicken Caesar sandwich. We hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need brioche buns, a yellow onion, canned steakhouse creamy Caesar dressing, Louisiana hot sauce, an egg, shaved Parmesan, flour, lettuce, butter, chicken breast, bacon, seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and olive oil. We're going to begin by butterflying the chicken breast and cutting the excess pieces off. Next, tenderize the chicken. Once you're done tenderizing the chicken, season the chicken to taste, add approximately 2 tablespoons of Louisiana hot sauce, and mix in 1 egg. Let the chicken marinate in the fridge for 1 hour. Next, in a bowl, add 2 cups of flour and season to taste. This is for the breading. After, slice a half of onion and prepare the lettuce. Next, coat the chicken in the seasoned flour and fry in vegetable oil for approximately 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. While the chicken fries, we're going to get started on our bacon and our onions. Fry bacon until crispy. In a skillet, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, the sliced onions, and salt. Caramelize the onions. Stir the onions so they don't burn. When the onions are done, they will be a caramel color. Next, butter and toast your brioche buns for approximately 2 minutes. Now that the buns are toasted and the chicken is done, it is time to dress the sandwich. Coat bread with Caesar dressing, add caramelized onions, fried chicken breast, more Caesar dressing, bacon, shaved Parmesan cheese, and lettuce. And there you have it, the best fried chicken Caesar sandwich. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you all for watching the video, and remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.